If your fridge is cooling, but your freezer is not freezing anymore, don't panic. This is one of the most common refrigerator problems. And in most cases, you can fix it yourself without replacing the whole fridge and without calling a technician. Stay with me. I'll show you 5 quick checks that can bring your freezer back to life. Check freezer airflow blockage. Open your freezer and look at the back panel. Do you see ice buildup? Food blocking the vents? That cold air must move from freezer fridge to work properly. What to do? Remove food blocking the vents. Turn off fridge for 2 hours. Let the ice melt naturally. Switch back on and wait. If your freezer starts freezing again, congratulations, you fixed it. Airflow blockage is the #1 reason. Fan not spinning. Freezer fan motor. Listen closely near your freezer section. You should hear a small fan running. If the fan is not spinning, cold air can't circulate. The freezer warms up. Fix. Manually spin fan blades to check if stuck. Remove ice around the fan. If motor dead is a cheap and easy replacement. A fan motor failure is common after 3 to 5 years. Frost on back wall. Defrost system failure. If the back wall has thick white frost, your defrost system isn't working properly. There are 3 parts in defrost system: defrost heater, defrost thermostat, defrost timer, or control board. If any of these fail, ice blocks the airflow, freezer stops freezing. Quick home fix, temporary. Turn off fridge for 6 to 12 hours. Let all frost melt. Turn on again. If it works but then fails again, defrost system needs repair. Fridge/freezer coils dirty. Condenser coils cleaning. Go behind your fridge. Do you see dust? Those coils remove heat. If they are dirty, heat stays inside, freezer gets warm. Fix. Brush and vacuum the coils. Clean once every 6 months. You'll notice faster cooling and lower electricity bills. Weak compressor or low gas. If everything else seems fine, but your freezer is still not freezing, then most likely refrigerant gas is low. Compressor has lost efficiency. Capillary tube blockage. Fix. This needs a certified technician. Do not allow unnecessary gas refilling. Ask for a proper leak test first. Good news. Most of the time, small repair fixes it. Bonus tip, temperature settings. Sometimes the problem is very simple. Make sure the settings are correct. Freezer, -15 degrees Celsius to -18 degrees Celsius. Fridge, +2 degrees Celsius to +5 degrees Celsius. Overloaded fridge equals restricted airflow. Leave some space for air to move. When to replace your fridge. If your refrigerator is older than 10 to 12 years and compressor is weak, sometimes buying a new fridge is cheaper than repairing again and again. Always compare repair cost with fridge age. So if your fridge cooling but freezer not working, now you know the 5 real reasons and the easy fixes. Try the simple steps first. You might save a lot of money. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support keeps this channel growing. See you in the next repair guide.